Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Blink outdoor camera in Blink app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Blink app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. Once the app is open, log into your Blink account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, tap on the option to create one and follow the prompts. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. Locate and tap on the Add Device button, usually represented by a plus sign. From the list of devices, select Blink Outdoor Camera. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure your camera is powered on. Next, you will need to scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your camera. Align the QR code with the camera lens. This will allow the camera to connect to the app. After scanning, the app will guide you to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Once you've entered the password, tap Connect. The app will confirm when your camera is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. After the connection process, give your camera a name for easy identification. You can also customize settings such as motion detection and notifications at this point. Once everything is set up, tap Finish to complete the authorization process. The Blink outdoor camera is now fully authorized and accessible through the Blink app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.